What is up, you guys? It's Lex. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having an awesome day so far. Back with another fun little video for you guys. Today we are gonna be pulling the motor of my manual Mark V Supra. Probably won't get to the full thing today, but we're gonna get started and see how it goes until tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're gonna start by removing this drip pan. I assume there's gonna be, I already see pieces of my engine right here. Yeah, so we'll see what comes out.
Oh, that's a rod bolt.
Look.
That's a bearing.
It's a rod bolt. That used to be a bearing.
Next day, as you can see, we're about to pull the motor. So yesterday we went ahead and basically took everything apart. The motor is ready to pull. We went ahead and removed the manifold, obviously, all the miscellaneous lines and bolts and whatnot. We vacuumed the AC, and now we have like a little DIY bracket situation on the front. And
it's an evil bracket.
Yeah, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the motor. The guys are gonna help me, so let's get right into it. Okay, now that the engine's out, we're gonna start taking it apart. I'm gonna start by removing the turbo kit, and then we'll move on to the other side. So let's just start with the turbo kit for now. All right, so the flywheel looks pretty much brand new, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now. All right, it's a new day. I'm about to start disassembling the old engine. Ronnie is starting on the assembly of the new one. So we need some timing components from this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart while he's working over there. So hopefully we can get a good chunk of work done today. It's Sunday, so let's get right into it. LOL. So I am hoping to reuse my pan, so hopefully it's reusable. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up episode 1 of my V58 build series. Just to kind of recap, one of the rods completely failed, so let me see if I can show you guys close up. The rest of them are completely bent. Let me show you those. And then the rest of them kind of look like this. Well, that concludes episode 1 of my V58 build series. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. In the next episode, I'm gonna begin assembling the new motor. Ronnie's gonna help me. I have a lot to learn. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.